Since ChatGPT launched in 2022, I have spent hundreds of hours learning about generative AI and mastering my prompting skills. And today, I'm going to take all the knowledge I've learned and show you the only prompt format you really need to master ChatGPT and any other sort of generative AI. If you're new to this channel, my name is Omer and I'm the co-founder of the Mind Designs agency. If you're passionate about business growth and AI innovation like me, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with the latest AI breakthroughs and business growth strategies. If you're like me and have been using generative AI for quite some time, you would know that prompting is an important skill going into the future. Not only to make you more productive at work, but also more productive with life's mundane tasks, so you can spend more time doing the things you love. So let's discover how you can prompt just like a prompt engineer. Prompting in ChatGPT is like asking a librarian for a specific type of book or information. The clearer and more specific your request, the better results you will get. Just as a well-defined search query helps the librarian find exactly which book you need. A well-crafted prompt can guide the AI to generate a more accurate and relevant response based on the data it can access. A well-crafted prompt contains up to 6 components. I have listed them in order of importance: the task, context, example, persona, format, and tone. Whenever you're crafting a prompt, make sure you follow this order when you're crafting it. Let's run through an example so I can help you understand how to write each component more effectively. The first and most important is the task, because without it, ChatGPT will not know what you need. In this example, I would like to write a blog post for my client about the benefits of meditation for beginners. The next must-have component is the context. This is where you offer more guidelines to help ChatGPT understand the background information or scenario related to the task. A great tip for writing the context would be to include the user background, what success looks like, and the environment related to the task. The context essentially helps you constrain ChatGPT's endless variations of data to what you need. Providing examples are important to further articulate your needs, giving ChatGPT more details to work with in terms of context and format. The persona component is basically who do you want ChatGPT to write as, which will add more expertise to your content, reducing the chance of you getting tasteless and boring jargon like content. In our example, we will seek the expertise of a mindfulness coach. In the format component, you can get a little bit more specific about how do you want ChatGPT to deliver the content or whether you want to make any technical changes. Lastly, the tone component sets the mood or attitude of the content, which in this case should be warm, inviting, and encouraging to make beginners feel more comfortable and motivated. Now that you know the prompt format of a professional prompt engineer, let me share with you 3 incredible tips to take your prompting journey even further. But beforehand, please give this video a like if you're enjoying the content so far. Tip number 1, ask ChatGPT to justify its response. Prompt example: explain why you suggested, and in this space, you basically insert what you want more clarification about. This approach is often used by experts to enhance the understanding and transparency of the AI's thought process, which can significantly reduce the amount of prompts you might need to get the desired output. Tip number 2, creative brainstorming with constraints. Prompt example: suggest a fun weekend activity for a family with young kids, 1 dog, list both indoor and outdoor options. This technique is commonly used to push the AI to combine unique elements and conditions. This approach can help us think of new innovative ideas and is great for brainstorming. Tip number 3, explain complex concepts in simple terms. Prompt example: explain quantum entanglement as if you were teaching it to a 10-year-old. This method is widely used by experts to show the AI's ability to distill complex scientific concepts into simple, understandable explanations, making advanced knowledge accessible to everyone, which essentially can enhance your learning and comprehension. And that's all I got for today, mate. I hope you found some gold nuggets in this video. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on topics such as AI innovation and business growth strategies.